Want to know what's happening down here for the 4th of July in Myrtle Beach? Well, stay tuned because we're going to give you a rundown.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today I'm going to take you on a drive down the Ocean Boulevard, and while we're doing that, I'm going to give you a list of the events that are taking place for the 4th of July. So stay tuned and let's take a drive. You'll also notice the crowds and everything. We can't wait to see you, and don't forget, if you see us, shout out. Let's go, Beatbox. Alrighty, so we're going to start right here, right before you get to Family Kingdom. As you can tell, the beach is crowded, so be careful and watch out for bikers, walkers, and motorcycles and all. So let's go ahead and get started with the exciting events. There's a lot going on from Murrells Inlet all the way to Cherry Grove. First stop is going to be Surfside Beach, where they're going to have a 4th of July celebration parade, and that starts from 11 until 12 o'clock. And the best seat in the house would be Neil and Pam's. You'll be front row seat. Also, Pirate Land and Lakewood, the campgrounds, are having their 4th of July celebration parades as well. Later on in the evening, they're going to have a boat parade at 6 p.m. in Murrells Inlet, followed by fireworks at 9:30. Broadway at the Beach and Barefoot Landing are also having a fireworks show that will start at 10 p.m. Cherry Grove Pier will also have fireworks at 10 p.m. as well. Like I said, safe travels. Hope you enjoy it. And if you do see us out, shout. And the temperature today is already a hot, toasty 97 and sunny. And right now it's about 12 o'clock, so that sun is right over our heads. And it's beautiful and packed. Well, I'm going to leave it right here, and I'm just going to keep on driving. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, keep beaching. And happy 4th of July!